everyone, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE DA 2025 GA question number 6. Column 1 has statement made by Shanthala and column 2 has response given by Kanishk. Identify the option that has the correct matches between column 1 and column 2. There are 2 columns and 4 options are given. We need to match column 1 with column 2 as response to each other. Now P, the house is in a mess. Now here 1, alright, I won't bring it up during our conversation. No, this cannot be. Well, you can easily look it up. No, no problem, let me clear it up for you. Yes, P can be with 3. So P is 3, it's present in option B. So directly you can say answer is option B. Let me check other 2. Q, I am not happy with the mark given to me. And here don't worry, I will take it off with your teacher. So here Q will be with 4. Next, politics is a subject I avoid talking about. And he's saying, okay, I will not discuss that. So R is with 1. Alright, I won't bring it up during our conversation. Then S, I don't know what this word means. Well, you can easily look it up. You can Google, right? So S is 2. Answer will be option B. P3, Q4, R1, S2. It's easy. Just read column 1 and column 2. You can easily match. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.